glorious occasion as we gather here today to celebrate the 79th Independence Day of our beloved nation. सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा, हम बुलबुले हैं इसकी ये गुलसिता हमारा. I am Samirunisa Begum and alongside me is my esteemed co-host Tamizur Rahman.
Thank you, Samirunisa Begum. It's an absolutely honor to stand here today, commemorating the day that marked the triumph of freedom and the spirit of our nation. On this momentous occasion, let us all remember the sacrifice of a brave freedom fighter who laid down their life to pave the way for our independence.
Absolutely, Tamizur Rahman. Today, as we bask in the glory of freedom, is also an opportunity for us to express our gratitude to the countless men and women who continue to serve our country with valor, both on the border and within our communities.
Indeed, Samirunisa Begum. Without further ado, let's begin our celebration. Let me extend my warm and hearty welcome to Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Brojan Singh, retired Inspector of School and retired Ombudsman of MGN Rega. Respected Principal Sir, MD Muhammad Ansaruddin, and beloved teacher. Dearest students and each and everyone who gathered here to witness a wonderful event called Independence Day. To commence, we would like to invite Chief Guest Mr. Brojan Singh to hoist the tricolor and lead us in the singing of the national anthem.
Our Chief Guest Mr. Brojan Singh and our Principal Sir Muhammad Ansaruddin, with great honor we request you to hoist the Indian flag and lead us in the national anthem.
Please rise everyone as we pay our respect to the tricolor and sing our national anthem together. Please rise for the national anthem.
मैम ओ मैम ये इधर लाना है.
for the national anthem.
We thank our Honorable Chief Guest and Principal Sir for hosting the flag on behalf of our school. Today, as we stand united, let us take a moment to reflect on the progress our country has made in claiming independence.
মিনিটে আমার ফ্রেন্ড
হ্যাঁ
মিনিটে আমার
কি আমদানি বাস
চেষ্টাও ভালো র
Samirun, as we celebrate our achievements, we must also remind ourselves of the responsibilities that come with freedom. Let us pledge to build a nation that is compassionate, inclusive and progressive, where every citizen can thrive and contribute.
Moving forward, all the students will display the PD in our school ground. Now I like to invite all the students from class 1 to class 7 to display the PD.
sum na tàu của ta nè tôi sẽ hay cái sum na tàu